taking it to brand new heights. Ashes get beautified, stop by and jazz it up. We bring it back to life, taking it to brand new heights. Ashes get beautified, stop by and jazz it up. Hey fam, welcome back. It's Jasmine and I'm back with some more content for you guys. Today I'm going to be decorating a bachelor pad slash mid-century modern manly home. I don't know what to call it, but it's definitely very bachelor, manly, dark-esque, which I really loved doing because, as you guys know, I usually do like light and airy, more like Scandinavian, bohemian. So this was a fun like change of pace. It was actually really fun to do. So yeah, this was for my brother and he's recently moved out and is doing like his own thing. So he wanted some help decorating his space, so he reached out to me and asked if I would help. And of course, I gladly took on this opportunity because it was so much fun to do. So I hope you guys enjoy the way that it turned out. So if you've been around here, you know here on my channel, I love to do Pinterest boards with clients. So it's the first thing that I love to do because it gives me a better idea of what they're looking for. A lot of times they don't really know exactly what their style is or what they're going for. And so Pinterest helps me kind of narrow that down and get a feel for what they like. Then we jumped over onto Amazon. So the interesting thing about this makeover is I didn't actually get to measure and be in the space before having to decorate and design the space. So I bought most things on Amazon and then I also grabbed a few things from HomeGoods. Since he had to buy all new furniture and everything like that, we did not have a ton left over in the budget for home decor, so I just got a few pieces to make it feel a little bit more homey, but those are things that he can add in a little bit later. Since I wasn't able to get into the space before having to design it, I just came up with these very simple mood boards so that he can get an idea of what I was planning to do in the space before actually doing it.
It's cool for you because it's not like you have to do a paint job.
Right, I just have to decorate. So we have this kitchen here. Then we have the living room. All the stuff. It goes out to this really cute balcony. And then the bedroom. Bathroom. Into a big closet. So because I ordered everything off of Amazon, everything also needed to be built. So I was moving everything to each room that it was designated to. So anything that was meant for the bedroom, I moved to the bedroom and then kept all the living room stuff in the living room. And then I just began to build each piece, starting with the sofa and moving on. I will link everything that we purchased from Amazon in the description box. And then there's just a couple pieces that he pulled from West Elm that were a little bit more pricey, and I will see if I could find links for those and put them down there as well. So I really wanted to bring in a mid-century modern sofa for this apartment because I feel like the sofa was really going to determine the style of this apartment. And so this mid-century modern was an amazing find. It was only $600 including the shipping, which for a sofa is a pretty fair price. It is not real leather, but it was definitely a great alternative. Next up is this floor lamp with a marble base. I don't know if you can see with the glare of the light, but the base of this lamp is super pretty. It's like a thick, heavy marble. I think it's such a pretty detail. We got a leather chair. This is really pretty. It's so cute. See? Such a pretty wood. Love that. Such a nice chair. Okay, next up, TV stand. Wish me luck. And there is the TV stand. Super cute. Definitely budget friendly. I will show you everything in the light again tomorrow, but this is the TV stand. So I am gonna build the coffee table right now. And yeah, I'm also gonna do that off camera. So here we go. Very pretty.
But again, like
Be
next week, I'll
perfectly
be like,
spacing his
okay.
spices. Wait, those are cute spices. Where'd you
It's world market, baby.
Look, that's so funny.
Looks good.
You got salt again.
I did. I did.
So our second day back, we're working on the bedroom. This is about a week after I worked on the living room. So he's definitely been like living in here. And yeah, so we're going to work on building his bed and getting the nightstand set up. So if you notice, the plan for the bedroom was a very like monochromatic look, which was in one of the inspo pics that we had on Pinterest. So we're playing with a lot of dark colors. He didn't really want the light and airy feel. He wanted it to feel a little bit more masculine and darker. So we brought in a rug that had some black tones, and pretty much throughout the room there will be some blacks and grays and different dark tones. So these sheets were a little bit deceiving on Amazon. They looked a little bit darker, like a blackish charcoal gray, but they came and they looked a little bit more like a blue gray. So, I mean, we worked with it. It was fine, but it definitely wasn't what I was expecting from the picture. But that happens sometimes when you order things online. So now we're on to building the side tables, which were also from Amazon. What I didn't do was measure how high the bed was gonna be. Yeah, cover those ugly. Oh, the side tables are higher than the bed.
Is that? Oh yeah.
That bed is real low because we got a 10-inch mattress instead of a 12. So our side table is a little tall, so we're gonna try taking the legs off and see if it works better. Okay, so that's our nightstand on the ground, and if we had our, what is it called?
Light.
Sconce, our wall sconce, it would be right above where the headboard is. Wait, come down with the wall sconce a little. Like line up the top of the wall sconce with the top of the headboard.
Like this.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I feel like that would be better.
Yeah.
Because we don't want it to be too floaty. What do we think about this? Okay, you guys can vote in the comments if we like the nightstand on the floor, or if we like it with the legs where it's a little bit higher, or if we just want to get a new nightstand. That's always an option too.
There we go.
All right.
So you can see it.
It looks good. These are some framed photos that he took. So these are all around the apartment. So there's some here in the kitchen, and then I'll show you the others. These ones in the bedroom, which I think look so cool because they're literally photos that he took and they look amazing. He's a real estate photographer. Look him up. I'll put his name on the screen. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I've been enjoying stepping out of my comfort zone with like trying out different styles lately. So it's been really fun to work on other people's projects, and getting to film it and bring you guys along is awesome too. So let me know what you guys thought about it. If you liked it, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button if you're not already subscribed to my channel. I will be bringing more home decor content for the rest of the year, so expect it and be ready for it. As always, I love you guys. Keep spreading the love and light, and I will catch you on the next one.